Children, we have studied about pronouns. Which are the pronouns that you studied in the last class? He, she, it, we, they, etc. Now, today we can do some activities relating some pronouns. Okay, come on. Read the below sentences. Here are given some pronouns. Which are they? He, she, it, we and they. Now we can read these sentences. Peter was 6 years old. Peter was having a party. Peter was 6 years old. He was having a party. He is used in place of Peter. So, instead of repeating Peter, here we use he. Now, we can go to the next sentence. Raji likes to play. Raji loves to play in the park. So, Raji is repeated in the second sentence. Instead of Raji, we can use Raji likes to play. She loves to play in the park. So, she is used in place of Raji. So, the next one. The pencil is blue. The pencil is used to write. So, here pencil comes repeated. So, instead of pencil, we can use the pencil is blue. It is used to write. So, instead of the pencil, we can write it there. So, like that, fourth sentence. Cow likes grass. Cow gives us milk. Cow likes grass. It gives us milk. So, we can it is used in place of cow. So, you have to remember one thing. It is used for animals, birds and non-living things. Now, the fifth sentence. Peter and Raji are friends. They are happy. So, instead of repeating Peter and Raji, we can use they. They is used in place of Peter and Raji. Then the sixth one. We are all happy. This is a picture showing 3 children. No. So, we use plural form of pronoun, that is, we are all happy. Now, we are going to the second activity. Here, look here, the hand of this girl. I am. I am means, look here, I am Lakshmi, I am Raji, I am Peter, like that. I am means Nyan. Look here, the hand of this boy. He is pointing to another boy. So, you are, ni, ningal, like that. It means you are means ni, ningal. Then look here. This is also a pointing picture. No. He is means avan. Okay. Now look here. She is aval. We are nammal. They are. This girl is pointing towards these 3 children. So, they are our. Now, to the last activity. Fill in the blanks. He, she, they, we, it. Using he, she, they, we, it. These are some pronouns. First one. We have a beautiful house. Dash is red in color. This is about an house. So it is a thing. So we use it here. So you have to write it here. Now the second one. Riya is a pretty girl. Dash is a kind girl. Instead of writing Riya here again, we can use the pronoun she here. So she is a kind girl. Then the third one. John is a handsome boy. The sentence is about a boy whose name is John. So instead of repeating John here, we can use the pronoun he here. He is a brave boy. Then the fourth sentence. Anju has a puppy. Dash is very cute. Here, the sentence is saying about a puppy. So, it is an animal. So, we have to use the pronoun it. So, you write it here. It is very cute. Then the fifth one. I like to play with Tinu and Anu. Dash are sisters. The sentence say about two children, Tinu and Anu. So it is a plural. Plural, we have to use plural form of pronoun. So what will be the plural form? They, here we have to use they are sisters. I like to play with Tinu and Anu. എനിക്ക് ടീനു അനുവിൻ്റെ കൂടെ കളിക്കാൻ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. Dash are sisters. അവർ സിസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടത് they. Now the sixth one. Joe and Mohan play games with me. Dash are all in the same classes. Joe, Mohanum play games with me. എൻ്റെ കൂടെ കളികൾ കളിക്കും. Dash are all in the same class. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എന്താ വരിക? ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും സെയിം ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ വരിക? ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ you have to use the another plural form of word. That is we, ഞങ്ങൾ, നമ്മൾ. We are all in the same class. So we end the activities of this lesson. Now look here, one poem is given here. I am happy, I am happy. You are happy, you are happy. He is happy, he is happy. She is happy, she is happy. We are happy, we are happy. They are happy, it is happy. So, which are the pronouns mentioned here? Look here, I am, I am. You are, you are. He is, he is. She is, she is. So, she and she. Then, we are happy, we are happy. So, we and we are pronouns used. Now, they are happy here, they, and it is happy here, it. These are the underlined words, are the pronouns used in this poem. Okay, so we end the first lesson. Okay, bye.